I'm just like you. I constantly want to learn and get better every day, but cautious where I spend my money and my time when I'm doing this. I feel like there's so many conferences and events in our industry these days, and I have so many questions that comes with it. I'm wondering if I'm getting motivated paper fire or real actionable items that help me. Is this how you feel? Well, we want to let you know firsthand what to expect from the Roofing Machine one-day camp in Orlando, Florida on July 26th and 27th.
We're gonna kick off the event on the 26th with John DeRosa with a sales clinic. It's gonna be a workshop for 2 hours. Then after, you're gonna be able to meet the vendors that we have hand selected to make sure that you get the most out of the event. On the 27th, we're gonna pour it all out. I'm gonna show you how you can maximize each of your employees with an inside-out approach of the roofing machine to transform your business into a roofing machine to get numbers that looks like this, so you can stop competing and start dominating your market. Find out more, click the link below, and I hope to see you there.